voice of Megamind channel. Many of you have been hearing my voices and you be wondering who's the person behind the voice. And this is the person you are seeing my face now. This is me. Um, I want to give us a question. So just you guys should just hold on. I'm going to write the question. Let me use a poll. Okay. Mm. Okay, so guys, that's the question. Uh, this is Megamind. You're wondering. Okay, this is the voice of Megamind. All right, guys. Uh, we have a question on the stream. It says, which of the following has 4, 8, and 19? So guys, let's choose the answer in the option. Let's go, guys. Tell me the answer to the question. Which of the following has 4, 8, and 19? All right, guys, let's go, let's go, let's go. Drop your answers in the comment section. Let's go. Which of the following has 4, 8, and 19? Guys, this is an IQ test. It's a very tricky one, but I think it's very easy. If you look at it very well, you see that it is very easy, right? Which of the following has 4, 8, and 19? Okay, guys, you have been wondering, you may have been wondering, where is this person? I've been hearing these voices. This is the person that is the host of the live stream. Ah, yes, it's your boy, Marvelous. This is Mega Mind Academy. You are welcome. If you are joining this stream for the very first time, you are welcome. Please, I want you to double tap the screen. Okay, I'm seeing 100% on C. All right. Let's go, let's go, let's go, guys. Drop your answer in the comment section. Which do you think is the answer? Which do you think is the answer to the question? Which of the following has 4, 8, and 1, 9? Let's go, guys. Drop your answer in the comments. Okay, I'm seeing 50%. All right. A lot of persons are choosing D. I'm seeing 67% on C. All right. Guys, okay. Uh, thank KB. Okay, you're welcome. Thank you for joining. You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you for joining the live. Please double tap on the screen. Please double tap on the screen. Which of the following has 4, 8, and 1, 9? This is a very simple question, but it is complicating, right? All right, let's go. Why is nobody choosing A as the answer? Okay. Everybody's just choosing B, C, and D. All right. Okay, guys, put your answer in the comment section. Put your answer in the comment section, guys. Which of the following has 4, 8, and 1, 9? C is showing 50%, D is showing 33%. Okay. All right, guys, let's go. Let's go. Drop your answers. Um, after a while, I'm going to change the question. Okay, Nicola Martin, you're welcome. Thank you for joining the live. Please, guys, let's double tap on the screen. Let's double tap. Nicola says B, 4819. Are you sure that is the correct answer? I'm not sure that is the correct answer. Okay, guys, I want to give you a hint. Hmm, the answer is between the option A and option D, right? The answer to the question is between option A and D. Because if you read the question like as though you are reading English, just like you are reading English, you discover that the answer is D, right? But a lot of scholars are saying that the answer is A. Which of these has 4, 8? You have 4, 8, and 1, 9. So it's very tricky, right? Let's double tap on the screen. C and D is they are dragging, right? C and D is having both 33% respectively. All right, so A is 11%. Wow. Let's double tap on the screen. Let's double tap, double tap on the screen. Drop your answer in the comments, guys. Okay, VB Max. VB Max, you're welcome. Thank you for joining the live. VB Max, yes, I think you are on point. It says 489. You chose D as your answer. Okay, that is quite okay. C is taking the lead. Option C is taking the lead. Okay, option D is taking the lead now. 40%. Wow. Option D is taking the lead, 42%. Okay. Let's go, guys. Double tap, and share the live. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's keep voting. Let's keep voting. Please vote and drop your answer in the comment section. Which of the following has 4, 8 and 19? This is very tricky, but it's very easy, right? It's very tricky and yet it's very easy. You just look at it very closely and you get the answer to the question. Okay, let's go, guys. Drop your answer in the comments. Drop your answer in the comment, guys. Drop your answer in the comments. Vote and drop your answer in the comment. As you are voting, please drop your answer in the comment section. Which of the following has 4, 8, and 1, 9? This question is very simple. Dog Cook, you're welcome. Thank you for joining the live. Give us your answer and tell us where you are connecting from if you don't mind. Tell us where you are connecting from. I would like to know where you are connecting from if you don't mind. Uh, Please, guys, let's double tap. Let's double tap on the screen. Double tap on the screen. Please, guys, let's double tap. Let's double tap. Option D is taking the lead. I'm seeing 33 points in option D. Okay. So are we saying that D is the answer? Which of the following has 4, 8, and 1, 9? We have 4, 8, and 1, 9. How is it option D? Okay. Oh, Prophet Jeremiah, you're welcome. Thank you for joining the live. Prophet Jeremiah says B. Are you sure the answer is B? Uh, a little hint, guys. The answer is between A and D. A and D. So I don't know why a lot of persons are still saying B. Well, it depends on how you are looking at the question, though. It depends on how you are looking at the question, right? All right, Christy, why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? What's funny? You said B, okay. That's a very good one. Okay, yes. Christy says A. Christy, I think you are right, actually. The only two options that are very close to the answer of that question is A and D. Yes. If we are to choose two answers to this question, I think the answer will be A and D. Yes. Because if you are reading it like maybe you are reading a sentence, you will get D as the answer. But a lot of scholars says the answer is A because we have 4 8. Because a lot of persons will tell you that that comma after the 4, I don't know if you understand, I'm trying to explain. The comma after the 4 is like that's the trick behind the question. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Please, guys, tap on the screen. Double tap on the screen. Give your comment in the comment section. Drop your answers in the comment section, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Which of the following has 4, 8, and 1, 9? Which of the following has 4, 8, and 1, 9? All right, guys. I'll be right back. Just give me a minute. Let's go, guys. Thank you. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the comments, guys. Please let's double tap on the screen. Double tap on the screen. Give your comments. Drop your answer in the comment section. Let's vote. Let's vote. Let's go. Let's go. Which of the following has 4, 8, and 1, 9? Um, I'm going to change the question now. So, but let me just give it like 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, I'm going to change the question, right? Guys, I will change the question like after 5 minutes. So let's comment, let's vote, let's vote. But before I change the question, I'm going to tell us the answer to this question, right? I'm going to tell us the answer. So let's vote, let's vote, let's vote. Let's double tap on the screen, guys. Please double tap on the screen, subscribe, give your answer in the comment section. Let's go. All right, guys, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's drop our answers in the comment, guys. Double tap on the screen. So I'm about to change the question. Who's ready for the next question? Who's ready for the next question? I want to change this to another question now, right? Who's ready for the next question? If you are ready for the next question, signify in the comment section. I want to change the question now. I want to change the question, guys. So are you ready for the next question? Okay, guys, so I want to change the question now. So the answer to this question is very simple. The answer to the question is actually D. The answer to the question is D. Which of the following has 4, 8, and 1, 9? So if you read the question in a sentence format, you will discover that the answer is D, right? So that's this for this particular question. So I want to change this question to board mass question like PEMDAS, order of operations. So guys, just hang on while I change the question. So you guys just hang on. Let me do the changes quickly. All right, guys, that's the question. Let's see if you can solve it. Solve it without using calculator. Let's see the fastest finger. What's the fastest finger? Fastest fingers. Can you solve that question? I don't know the hotspot already. Fastest finger, fastest finger. Let's go, let's go. 10 minus 10 times 10 plus 10. Solve it without using your calculator. Let's go. Drop your answer in the comments. Drop your answer in the comments. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I forgot about one. Okay. 10 minus 10 times 10 plus 10. Are you a math genius? Are you a genius in mathematics? Let's see the answer in the comment section. Drop your answer in the comment. Let's go, let's go. All right. Random says minus 80. Random, are you sure the answer is minus 80? How did you get minus 80? That's in the entire the entire 100. Or calculator show minus 80. 10 minus 10 times 10 plus 10. Okay, all right. So, Power Talk, you're welcome. Thank you for joining the live. It says, following board mass, the answer is 100. But if you saw straight, the answer is minus 80. Um, all right. I also think if you saw straight, you will get 0 as the answer, right? You're supposed to have 0 now. 10 minus 10 is 0, right? 0 times 0, 0 times 10 is what? 0 is 0, right? 0 plus 10 is 0 now. Hello? Hmm? Okay, Eric. Eric, you're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you for joining the live. Eric says 100. But in this question, I'm seeing 3 answers in this question, right? I'm seeing 100, I'm seeing 0, I'm seeing minus 80. So which one is the correct answer? I'm seeing 100, I'm seeing 0, I'm seeing minus 80. Hmm? There's no 0. 10 minus 10 is what? 0 times 10 is what? 0 plus 10 is what? Yeah? 0 plus 10 is 0. Okay, 0 plus 10 is 10, right? Okay, it's 10. 10 plus 0. 0 plus 10. That is if we solve it straight. But if we follow the rule of board mass, first of all, do 10 times 10, which is 100. Then subtraction. No, addition first before subtraction. Then 100 plus. Okay, it's not actually 100. Oh. Yes, that's correct now. Minus 100 plus 10. Then we put minus 10. Papa Ute, Papa Ute, Ute, Ute. Boy, I'm tired, man. Man, I'm very stressed. I'm stressed out, man. Yes, yes, yes. I know what a long thing. So I say, because it go stress me join. Okay. Yes, well, those guys there sometimes they are very hard to handle. Today they are good, they are small, they are somehow. Um, babe, do minus 100 plus 10. Use your calculator, press. Minus 100 plus 10. What do you get? Minus 90. Then 10 minus 90. The answer is minus 80, not 100. Because that minus is following the number that is following that number in front of the minus, the number in front of the minus. Um, Kevin, I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm just stressed out. I've had a long day. I'm very fine. Thank you for asking. Kevin, I think the answer is not 100. The answer is not 100. If you follow the Bodmas rule, the answer will give you minus 80, right? Kevin, are you there? The answer is not 100, it's minus 80. I want you to look at it very closely, calculate it very well, and give me back another. Check on the question again. Okay, let me explain it to you, Kevin. If you follow the Bodmas rule, Bodmas, which is BODMAX, right? First of all, since we are not dealing with bracket, there's no bracket in the question. The next thing is off, there's no off there. Then the next thing to do there is division. There's no division. So the three operators we have there is multiplication, addition, and subtraction, right? So what we are doing first is multiplication. And don't forget that that minus sign, 10 minus, we have 10 minus 10, right? So that minus sign, that negative sign is following the second 10. So we have minus 10 times 10, right? So we are doing minus 10 times 10. It will give you minus 100, right? So after you are done with subtraction, what you are doing next is addition. So you do minus 100 times 10, right? Once you do minus 100 times 10, it will give you minus 90, right? Then 10 minus 90 will give you minus 8. So your answer will give you negative 8. Negative 80, right? Sorry, negative 80. So that is the answer to the question. I want you to look at it very well. The answer is supposed to give you minus 80, right? So do a recheck on the question. Kevin, are you there? All right, Kevin, you're welcome. You're welcome. I hope you understand what I explained, Kevin. Yes, okay. Thank you. God bless you for joining the live. Please support me, subscribe, like the channel, double tap your screen to like. Support me with subscription, subscribe. Thank you so much. All right, guys, let's drop. I want to change the question. I'm going to change the question to a different question, guys. I'm going to change the question. So let me give us some minutes to see solve this. Thank you. God bless you too, Kevin. We finally have just one answer. Okay. So guys, do you agree that the answer is minus 80? Are we okay with minus 80 as the correct answer? Hadizak. Hadizak, you're welcome. Hadizak says 100. Hadizak, are you sure 100 is the correct answer? Hadizak, the answer is not 100. I want you to check it again. Hadizak, please do a recheck. You're supposed to get minus 80, right? Even when you use your calculator, you will see you get minus 80. Hadizak, try and use your calculator. The answer is minus 80, not 100. Are you there, Isaac? All right, Bar Talks. Thank you for that explanation. Okay, Honey said, look behind you because there's a man. All right. There's no problem. All right. Just tell us your answer. What do you think the answer is to this question? Drop your answer in the comments. Double tap the screen. Thank you. Thank you. 10 minus 10 times 10 plus 10. So what do you think the answer is? Is it 100? Is it minus 80? Is it 10? Yes, I knew somebody's going to say 10. Augustine, the answer is not 10. Try to use your BODMAS rule. This question is from order of operation, right? Just try and use your BODMAS rule. The answer is not 10. How did you get 10, Augustine? Can you explain how you got 10? Can you tell us how you got 10? Augustine is not 10. Okay, he says, I guess he solved straight. All right. If you solve the question straight from left to right, you are going to get 10 as your answer, right? But that is not the correct answer. The 10 is not the correct answer. So just try again and give us your answer. Augustine, are you still online? Just try again and see if you get it correctly. The answer is not 10, Augustine. It's minus 100, minus 80, sorry. You're supposed to get minus 80 as your answer. Augustine, I understand your explanation, Augustine, but that is not the right procedure to solve it, right? That is not actually the right procedure. The right procedure is BODMAS, BODMAX, right? BODMAX. That is the right rule to solve. And when you are using that rule, make sure you are solving from left to right. So the B stands for bracket, O is off. Then we have division, followed by yes. Thank you for yes. Thank you, Power Talk. B stands for bracket, off, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So the three rules there is just okay. Kevin says 100. Kevin, your answer is supposed to give you minus 80, right? Kevin, this 10 times 10 that you did 10 times 10, right? It's supposed to be minus 10 times 10, Kevin. not 10 times 10 minus. That minus is following that 10, right? That is where you omitted that is where you got the mistake. The minus should follow the 10 because minus sign is always following the number that is in front of it, right? Okay. Multiplication comes before subtraction, Kerry. But when you are doing that multiplication, take note that that negative sign at the back of that 10 must follow the 10, right? Yes, thank you, Power Talks. Power Talk has just look at the way Power Talk explained it now. You get minus 10 times 10, right? So you are supposed to have minus 100. So when you do minus 100 plus 100, it will give you minus 90, right? Then you now have 10 minus 90, it will give you minus 80. I want you to type it with your calculator. Use your calculator to punch it, and you will see the answer is minus 80. The answer to the question is minus 80, not 100. It is very tricky, right? Yes, I know it's very tricky. And if you see solving the way others are solving it, you will still get 10. All right, all right. That's also good. You can do it in your head. These figures are not large. But the place where you are mistaking it is because of that minus sign. Multiplication comes before the minus sign, good and fine. But when you are doing that multiplication, that minus sign must go along with it because then it is minus 10, not just 10. It is minus 10. Oh boy, this guy is saying 100. Alejandro. Wow, that's a very powerful name. Alejandro, the answer is not 100. The answer is 80. Yes, it is a negative sign. It's a negative sign. That's a negative sign, guy. That's a negative sign. It's 10 minus 10 times 10 plus 10, right? That is how the question is. So when you are doing that multiplication, yes, thank you. Alejandro, minus 100, yes, that's how you get it. So you do minus 100 plus, right? Minus 100 plus 10 will give you minus 90. So before you now bring that first 10, that first initial 10, which is this very first 10 here, it will now be 10 minus 90. It will now give you minus 80 as the correct answer. At first, I thought the answer is 100 to 0. But calculator cannot give you wrong answer, except the calculator is bad. If we put bracket in that 10 times 10, the minus will open the bracket, which is minus 10. Guys, the answer is not 100, guys. The answer is not 100. Um, Lencore Digital, welcome. Thank you for joining the live. The answer is not 100. Skia, Skia Tokoyami. Wow, that's the name. I want to, your name is very hilarious. What's your name, Skia? Skia got the answer. Skia, the answer is 8 minus 80. Yes, that's correct. Kudos to you guys. Your answer is correct. It's minus 80. Lencore Digital, your answer is not, the answer is not 100. It's minus 80, negative 80. That's the correct answer. So if you are not getting negative 80, please, I want you to do the calculation very well. The answer is supposed to be minus 80, right? That's the correct answer to the question. So let's look at it very closely. 10 minus 10 times 10 plus 10. So what is the answer? It's just simple board mass, right? Just follow your board mass rule or your PEMDAS rule. Follow PEMDAS or board mass. Solve it from left to right and you will get your answer. Board mass or PEMDAS. So just follow your board mass rule. You will get it. The answer is minus 80. I'll put option just now. Oh, yeah. All right, Skia Tokoyami. That's a very wonderful name. It says you do 10 times 10 first, which is 100. Then 10 minus 100, which is minus 90. Then minus 90 plus 10, which is minus 80. Very simple as ABCD. The answer is minus 80. You are very correct. Those of us that is saying the answer is 80 is 100. I don't know how we are getting 100. I understand it though. You are solving from left to right. 10 times 10 plus 10 before you do minus. You will not get it correctly like that. Yes, yes. Alejandro, that is the correct explanation. PEMDAS is parenthesis, not potential. It's parenthesis, brackets. Parenthesis also means bracket. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. This guy is minus 100. Minus 100. Judith. Judith Williams, how did you get minus 100? You are very far from the answer. You are very far from the answer. Please look at it again very closely and redo your calculation. You are very far from the answer. The answer is minus 80. I think maybe you want to type minus 80, right? Is it 80 you want to write, or is 100 you are writing? All right, Shadow God, you're welcome. Thank you for joining the live. Shadow God says the answer is minus 80. Yes, 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 yes. That's very correct. You are correct. Even if you still do it straight, you still get the same minus 80. 10, if you do 10 times 10 without carrying the minus along, you will still get 10 times. You will still get minus 80, right? But the reason why you are getting minus, you are getting 100 because some people are doing addition first. But addition comes first before subtraction. Yes, now it's the same thing. If you do this, 10 times 10 is 100, right? Then 100 plus 10 is what? 110. Then if you minus 10, you will get 100, which is wrong. Elvira, you're welcome. Thank you for joining the live. Please, guys, let's double tap. Let's double tap on the screen. Elvira says minus 80. That's correct. You got it right. Hmm? Okay. Maybe I won't go offline. Just request. I'll go off to, but I had a heavy travel sleep for top of the live stream. Okay, guys. I think I want to end the live stream. I'm very tired. I've had a long day. So what will happen is I'll go live later. I'll go live later. I'll be live later, so I'll do a more question on this kind of operators, board mass, order of operation, right? So please, you guys just pardon me. I want to call it a day for today. I'm very stressed out already. I'm tired. My eyes are heavy. I need to rest. So I'll be live again, let's say 5, 10 hours from now. So thank you all for joining the live. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for your comments. Okay, before I go, I want to really let us know that this question is order of operation, right? All right. I will be long. I'll be with you shortly. Part of. Thank you very much. So the answer to this question is actually minus 80, right? So just go back and do your calculation properly. You will see that the answer is minus 80. So the answer is not 100. The answer is not 10. It's negative 80. That's the correct answer to this question. So thank you guys. I love you guys. See you. Bye.